us about an hour to get here. That's not too bad. Aren't we supposed to be able to see Mount Rainier here?
저는 이제 이제 좀더 못 봐.
There's a lot of hang gliders up there, especially when it's really windy.
I think so. It's very hard for them to control.
What? Let's go. Okay, going up to hand gliding. For hand gliders. Going up some more. Possibly.
Yeah.
Don't they know it's better up there? Maybe they've been up there. Đâu nữa hay con đó sao?
Almost there.
Yeah. Wonder how many miles is it from here to there? Maybe another mile. Okay, it's a little bit wet, muddy up here. Whew. Here we go again. Steep. Yeah, it's not as bad as earlier. Okay, going up to Poo Poo Point. Yep, it's really called Poo Poo Point. How do you think they came up with that name? Actually, I did read the history. They didn't say anything about it. Some hikers did say it's called Poo Poo Point because there's no bathroom until you get up there. Well, who knows? Okay, it's a bit of clearing up there. I think we're close. That's how you get to different viewpoints. Okay, here's the clearing. Hopefully we see some hang gliders today. Weather's not so great, but it's nice and windy. Alright, first time here. Wow, we're gonna have to be careful in this part when we come back. Oh, look at that rainbow! Oh my gosh! Oh, that's so beautiful. Rainbow.
Nice, huh?
Oh wow! Hey, look at that rainbow! Wow. No hang gliders. I'm a little disappointed. But hey, there's a beautiful rainbow. Here's AstroTurf. Ooh. This is where the hang gliders would be catching the wind and then going off on this runway here. Oh, wow. Nice view. Alright, here's the view. It's huge. It's where people will be gathering to watch hang gliders on a nice sunny day. Alright, so 3.5 miles to get up here. Steep hiking. Took us about an hour. Too bad. Oh, that's a beautiful rainbow. I think you're. Get the camera. Why would you use that? Okay. Okay. Hold on. It's kind of hard to capture that, you know. Oh, you want some of that rainbow? Oh, that's perfect. Okay, sort of. Okay, 1, 2, 3. I think it's a little too far. Hold on. Oh, never mind. Can't capture that rainbow. But here's a little town. There's a big town over here. Hey, what town is this?
Bellevue.
Bellevue? Okay. View of Bellevue.